Okay, Valiant fans, here we have a beautiful convertible Valiant in a condition that I've rarely seen on these things. It's amazing. It's a 360 there in the Valiant. TTI exhaust, front disc, speed, Borgerson steering box, Griffin radiator, and done about 12 years ago is what the owner tells me. And let's take a look at the interior. You know, this is just a rock and rollin' little, Chrysler Plymouth car. Look at that interior. Oh, it's amazing. They've really done it up nice. Push button steering. Steering wheel looks great. Dash. Interior. Along with that white exterior. What a cool car. And you can imagine how lightweight these things are. They're under 3,000 pounds. Well, the convertible is probably up around by 3,000. But when you put the 360 in it, you are talking a smoker. And it's just a beautiful car. So there you have it, Valiant fans. Very rarely do you see them this nice and done up and modded up with a beautiful 360. All right, Gall's Garage, Clearwater, Florida. Mopars at Merritt's. Thank you.